Chicken coops by Horizon Structures. With the outstanding variety of chicken coops we offer, there's sure to be one perfect for you. And isn't it good to know that these pre-manufactured coops are not kits? They're delivered fully assembled and ready for same-day use. Spotlight on the Quaker Tractor Coop. The innovative tractor coop is an easily movable coop and run combination. This 3-foot by 4-foot Quaker tractor coop is perfect for flocks of 4 to 6 hens. It features board and batten siding stained in rustic cedar with charcoal shingles. The vent and window allow for ventilation and natural light. A lockable door provides easy entry and allows your chickens to free range if you choose. Enjoy simple egg collection with the external full-width nesting lid supported by a gas prop strut. Inside, you'll find plenty of room with wooden roost bars and 4 nest boxes. The epoxy-coated floor allows for easy maintenance. This coop's been upgraded with the optional auto door, which opens and closes the chicken door automatically or at a schedule you determine. This coop also features the very helpful litter tray and clean-out lid. Makes cleaning easy. But this coop's biggest trick, a set of wheels that deploy at the turn of a handle to simplify the movement of your coop. That's this Quaker Tractor Coop, and we'd be glad to make one just for you. Choose your size, colors, siding, roofing, then customize from a wide variety of options and upgrades to best fit your needs. Want to know more? We invite your call or email for more information, or stop by our website at horizonstructures.com. You can see all the models, options, and pricing. You'll also find some in-stock models available for quick shipping. Chicken coops by Horizon Structures. Endless options, legendary quality, and amazing value.